So we are packing up and getting ready to go on what should be a pretty fun weekend. We are headed only about an hour away from here down to Camdenton, Missouri. Couple of things going on this weekend. One, there is a concert tonight that should be pretty fun. And two, we're getting to see our friends Dan and Becky that we have not seen since we left for Arizona back in December. So anyway, should be a good time. Only thing we're a little concerned about is there is a chance of rain right about the time the concert's supposed to start tonight. So we will see how that plays out. But other than that, I think the weekend is supposed to be phenomenal. All right, so we made it to our spot here at the Rock and Roll RV Park in Camdenton. And the one thing that's kind of funny, and okay, so I'm 6'3" and standing straight up underneath the front of our rig, so definitely not quite level, but it's okay. It worked out, and the nice thing is, it is a mile or so from the amphitheater where we're going tonight for the concert, so that's a plus. Dan and Becky had to work half a day today, so they are not here yet. They will be right in this spot, but I think they are on their way shortly. We have a couple of errands to do in the area, run grab some groceries, and then we will come back here and see them.
Guitars, candlelight, hillbilly music, lonely, lonely streets that I call home. Oh yeah! Have mercy!
Well, the weather last night did not want to cooperate, but we had a great time in spite of it. We ended up having about a 2-hour delay because of the rain, which put us, I think concert was supposed to start at 7, started a little after 9. So both bands ended up having kind of an abbreviated set, but they got through most of their hits, so it was okay. And then other than that, it was extremely foggy by the end of the concert. Luckily, we're staying only about a mile down the road, so we were able to get out of the parking lot, get back to the campground, and all was good. For today, we really don't have an agenda. It's just kind of explore the area. We're somewhat familiar with this Camdenton Lake area, so just decide what everybody wants to do and then go from there.
Yeah.
All right, well, we went to the Ozarks distillery earlier, which was pretty interesting. We had a nice tour there and got to have some tasting, so that was always good. Now we made our way a little bit south to some place that we've been before, but Dan and Becky have not been, so I'm not sure if you can see that, but yeah, we are in Uranus. So right down the road from Uranus is the Route 66 Neon Park,
which is kind of in a median here in St. Robert, Missouri, but kind of cool. I don't know if we're going to get to see it lit up or not. We got here a little early, but we will see how soon they actually go ahead and light it up.
All right, so we have made it back home. This was a really fun weekend and a really busy weekend, but we had a great time. We always say that there's kind of two types of camping trips. There's a camping trip where you're going for the campground and you're going to stay there and that's the destination. And then there's trips that you're camping so that you can enjoy things in that area. And this trip was definitely the latter. We were in that area so that we could go to the concert, which worked out perfectly. Like I said, that RV park was probably about a mile from the amphitheater there, rock and roll RV park, and I would say it served its purpose. It definitely was not level at all, but I mean, sites were $45 for full hookups, which wasn't bad, and great location. We went to the concert on Friday night, and then Saturday night we're able to listen to the Bush concert as we were sitting outside of our rig there talking. So it was kind of neat in that aspect. But other than that, I would say the other highlight other than the concert was the distillery that we went to on Saturday. That place, it was just something that we found that looked like something that'd be fun to do. But the tour was great. I mean, $10 a person, and the owner gave the tour, and it lasted a little over an hour, right around an hour, but very entertaining, very informative. If you're in that Camdenton area, I definitely would recommend going to Ozarks Distillery and taking the tour. The one thing I will say, the owner also said that he is looking at retiring and selling the distillery. So you may have a limited time to get in on that tour. So I would definitely, if you're thinking about it, try to get there in the near future. But other than that, like I said, great weekend. Sure, this is going to be a short video, but as always, we appreciate y'all watching, and we'll see you in the next one.